Let me check.
For me, mine's coming from UPS, I think.
There you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's been, how long has it been? It's been a month since I've uploaded. Christmas, yeah, dude. Christmas, we had New Year's. Kind of just had to take a break from hot boy shit. But I just picked up this piece right here. And I'm with the boy in his troca. Picked up a carbon fiber roof for 120. It's not bad. It has a little bit of sun damage on it and everything, but it's fucking carbon fiber. Fits really good. It has like a tiny inch space. But 120 for this. They sell for like 5 or 6 online for actual Z's. But yeah, I was like, that's not bad for 120. So we're about to slap this on. Cover this over here. There's a few marks on here. Like up here, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, we're gonna slap it on. Right now we're gonna clean it with this peroxide and everything. But yeah. Oh yeah, I made that little edit that you guys saw right now in the intro. Shit took me a motherfucking hour.
Yeah, you know we got that wonky slime. Hey, chill. You go sleep.
Alright, so we're wiping down the hood. Or
why?
Roof. You wanna wipe it down, get all that musty shit off. You don't wanna use too much, it'll fuck up your paint. But fuck the paint, we're putting carbon on that bitch.
Oh shit.
Yeah, dude, that bitch already dried. I gotta cover up all these sunspots. I was showing them. Look at this shit.
It's so shiny. Like I'm looking at your reflection.
You know how musty this bitch is right here.
What does it even say? It should say, what should it say? What's the new one coming
This?
in?
It says, ching ching.
Alright, chill. You're gonna get banned. Damn.
They don't know about that yet. Yeah, that's on hold.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what's it supposed to say? You tell them what it's supposed to say
It's
yet?
gonna say something coming soon.
Bonk.
Coming soon. Alright, stop. Let's keep it down.
You probably should wipe the bottom of that, yeah. And put tape on this thing first.
We're probably gonna leave that one.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just took it off, but it's. Oh shit, dude, maybe that is your pipe.
No, I don't think so. It said UPS in the tracking.
What should I wipe down?
The edges, really the whole thing, to be honest with you. Where are you gonna want to put tape?
Just the edge. Don't mind that. Or that one. Alright, we're gonna take this off right now. Slap that bitch on that roof. And then we're gonna wrap this hatch carbon.
Jeez.
Sight.
Might as well.
If I ever do, I get
Might
the,
as
I get the
well.
carbon hatch. I
The
wouldn't
only
wrap
thing
it.
blue would be the left is the rear quarter panels and the door, dog. And your bumper.
In the bumpers, in the skirts.
Yeah.
But the skirts are.
The skirts
I like
are carbon.
The blue carbon. The blue carbon looks crazy. I don't think they've seen it. Show them the inside. Show them the inside. Look at that shit. Not flexing or anything, just showing showing the black roof. Them bitches don't got that shit.
They don't got the black roof. They got the tan roof.
They got the tan roof.
I'm weak. Carbon everywhere. You need a carbon steering wheel next. That'd be pretty sick.
Carbon steering wheel? Like
Yeah.
the actual lightweight ones?
Like the spokes. make them
Yeah,
carbon.
that'd be crazy. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Damn, he said you guys' house stinks. That's a good shot.
What side goes front?
The tape.
This side goes that way?
Tape. The blue tape. What tape? Come on, big dog.
So we do front first. So measure it up with the front. You sure it's how it goes?
Right there. Come on. Push down, and we'll push it back. Jeez. That's a down be on smash.
Chill, you're gonna fucking dent your hood.
That's
They're not that strong.
why I step on the pillars. Damn. Take off that tape. Sheesh. That shit looks sick.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that was our stand, by the way.
expose us,
But yeah, it's on there. This is the only thing. Is right here, but
a little bit right here. Too.
yeah, and there's a little bit over there. It looks crazy though. Tiny bit right here, but for 120.
You can't see because it's in the shade.
Yeah, we'll pull it out to the sun right now and then get a better look at it.
See more.
But yeah, it's not bad for 120.
Yeah. Oh.
Boom! You hit by a car.
That hood is crazy.
Fuck the name. This looks crazy. Damn, dude, stand right here. Look at that shit shine.
Damn.
Holy
looks good.
fuck.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I got scared that there was a car. I was like, damn. Oh. I gotta match my tires real quick.
What's that?
Chale.
Did you hear that clicking?
Huh?
Did you hear that clicking?
Yeah.
Fucking
Fucking exhaust.
That's your exhaust.
It's the Tomei hitting the fucking whatever the fuck it's called.
Fucking.
That shit looks crazy though.
That does look good.
Especially with the hood. You can tell it's real carbon because it matches like that same effect of the hood.
It needs a wash for sure. Yo. Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah, this is what Arizona meats look like. We're an hour in. Look at this shit. Shitty ass. Like, what the fuck? Yeah. Oh.
Yo soy Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria. Plata.